Yeah, thank you. So, myself, Ramya, I'm working as a software engineer in Mastech. I'm have 1+ years of experience in software development and currently working in Composer's projects as a public sector project. So let's move and explore it today's concept. Yeah, so today's agenda is we are going to see the Conga Composer, what is Conga Composer and its uses, and how to install the Conga Composer and its configurations of the Conga Composer. And then we are going to see the what are the implementations of the Conga Composer and how what are the objects are involved in this Conga Composer. And next we are going to see the flow model of the Conga Composer and the features of the Conga composers like how to show and hide the data table in the Microsoft Word template and also how to use the if conditions in the Word template. So at last we are going to see all the concepts briefly with this demo purpose. Let's move into it. So first one is called as what is Conga Composer. So Conga Composer is nothing but a third party application which allows us to generate the Conga Compose document generation the single click of button. Some of the companies may prefer the coding to generate the documents. It takes a lot of logics in it. So instead of using this logics, complex logics to generate the document, if you are using the Conga Composer means it will easy to generate your document with a single click of button, which is acts as a one-stop solution for generate the document. And since I said it's a third-party application, it is available in the Salesforce App Exchange Marketplace, and you can also download from there and as a 30 days trial package, and you can learn the Conga Composer for the practice purpose. And it's mainly like a tool and it's used in our organization to generate and create and automate the papers and codes in a PDF as well as the Word format. So from the Salesforce data. So I think this is all about the Conga Composer. So let's move to the uses of the Conga Composer. So here the Conga Composer, as I said, is a digital document generating program. It's a simple to use and widely utilized in the all the places. So this application makes simple and reduce a wide range of documents using the templates and which includes the Salesforce data from standard and the custom object. So that means we can use the standard as well as the custom object to generate the documents, and also it is very simple and easy to configure. So and also easy to generate the papers business documents such as codes proposals and contracts, invoices and shipping documents and accounts. All these things can be generated using this Conga Composer, and it's very easily to automate and distribute the files and documents in a precise manner. So next we are going to see how to install the Congo Composer. So before that, if you don't have any other, if you don't if you don't have the trial log means you go to the trial log. You go to the trial log and logged in your Salesforce org, and then and then you can work on the Congo Composer. So here, go to the quick find box, and you have to type app. So here you can click the App Exchange Marketplace. One second. So here you have to type app and go to the section called App Exchange Marketplace. There you have to click the go to App Exchange button and click here Conga Composer. Here you will be showing all the Conga Composers packages and apps here, but you have to click the document generation Conga Composer to generate the document. So I'm going to click this now. Then you have to click this get it now so that your Conga Composer app will be downloaded in your org. So I have already given this option so that my Conga Composer app will be downloaded in my app. So for that you can check with the app manager. So go to the app manager section. You will be seeing the Conga Composer's app downloaded here. So after this we have to install it. So for this, then after this, yeah, it will be showing that your allow access page. So you have to give the allow access here, and then it will redirect to the whether this Conga Composer app should be downloaded in your org or in your say sandbox org. If you are using the sandbox org means you can download there. If you are using for the practice purpose means you can download in the your own org. So click the first option and it will redirect to the install Conga Composer page. Here it will ask whether you have to download this Conga Composer app for the all the users or particularly for the specified users or for the admin users. So if you can click anyone else, but I'm clicking this admin users and going to give the install now. So this is how we can install the Conga Composer. This is all about the installation of the Conga Composer. Any doubts, team, to this? Yeah, okay, I'll take this now. So next we are going to see the configurations of the Conga Composer. So for this, again go to the home page and click connected apps. So here you have to go to the manage connected app section. Here click the edit option. Besides the Conga Composer, he will be having the edit option. So you have to click there. So since we have downloaded this Conga Composer app in your admin users for only, so you have to click the second option, admin approved users or pre-authorized. If you are using the download for this all the users, you have to click this first option. For now, I'm clicking the admin approved users for pre-authorized and I'm going to click save. This is the first step in the configuration. And then second step, go to the Conga Solution app itself and go to the section called Conga Composer Setup page. So there you have to enable some of the features. Then only the Conga Composer app will be work properly. So here you will be showing the local templates checkbox. You have to enable this. And then next Conga Composer template manager section, you have to enable all these three things and then expands this legacy configuration. And you can also check this all these checkbox. Once you checked all these checkbox, click save for now. So I have already checked all these checkboxes, so I have given the save option. This is the second step in the configuration level. And then third one is go to the home page and type profile. So we have to give the as some of the access to the profile also. So as I am a system admin profile, so I'm going to give the access for the system admin profile. If you are in different profile mean, you can choose your profile and give your access. So I'm going to the system admin profile now. So here go to the section called assign connected apps. Here go to the edit option. So here you have to give all the Conga Composers packages from the install connected apps to the enabled connected apps. So I have given already. So for now, I'm going to give the save option now. So that your all your Conga Composer package will be gets enabled now. So this is the third point in your configuration. And the final step is go to the remote site setting and enable all the remote site settings regarding to the Conga Composer. So go to the remote site setting. So here you'll be having all the remote site settings regarding the Conga Composers packages. So I'm going to show one of them. how to enable this remote site setting. So go to the Conga API and click edit option. Here you will be having the some active checkbox. So once you go to the site and recheck that whether this checkbox is checked or not. If not means go and check and gives a save button. So likewise, you have to give all the remote site setting and then only it will work properly. So I think all this is the four steps of in the Conga composers to configure it. So after this only your be Conga composer will be works properly. So any doubts, team, regarding this?
Yes, two question I have. Uh,
Y- Yeah.
Actually, you shown us actually that legacy configuration, right? So
Yes.
was that mandatory? I mean, was that actually mandatory steps to be checked or checked in, or like,
Yeah.
and
It's
what was this legacy configuration suggest?
once again. I'll go to there.
Yeah. And my second question is that these Conga API, right, and all those remote site settings you have shown us, right? What
Y-
if I need to add some parameter based on my customization? Can I do that? I mean, is there any way, let's say like my PDF will be generated through the Conga Composer, it's some certain
If
set of parameters only passed, right? So,
um if you are using, if you don't give the access for the remote site means it won't work, it will show some error message, right? So you can't access this Congo composer. But if it is in a trial means it, I think it will be working perfect. But if it is in your project means it won't work. That's why we are going for the remote site setting. So I think this legacy configurations will also works for some of the org, and it will make use for the generation of the document.
okay, so it is not that mandatory, right? I can
Yeah,
keep that unchecked.
yeah. So for the some of the org, it will be works, some of the org it won't works. So for that, it's not a mandatory.
Okay.
Okay.
And does this actually inheriting some other properties of the Conga Composer, or what exactly? Okay,
Yeah.
you can check in the later also, not an issue.
Can you come again? I can get your
No, what
question.
I'm saying is that like, is this inheriting some other feature from any other application, and then that's why it is actually like mentioned as a legacy configurations?
Um, I think know
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
Santanu, not like that. So in this word template, in the using Conga Composer, we can generate the document, right? So in the while generating the document, we can use this
Hmm.
Conga solution record. So while
Mhm.
creating this Conga solution, we have some option like we have generate this column names and the word template. We can use this table start and end using this circle query. So that the
Hmm.
option, if we want to use in this template, means we should enable this legacy configuration here.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Next, we are going to see the implementations of the Congo Composer. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. So here, as we know that this Conga Composer is integrated with the Salesforce. So by using this Conga Composer tool, we can generate the documents in the PDF Word format, and also we can generate through the Excel formats. So we can, as our required, we can generate the document as we clients requirement. We can generate this Word into Word and PDF and PPT format. So this is the main implementations of the Conga Composer. So next we are going to see the Conga Composer's objects. So we have the four main concepts regarding the Conga Composer object. The first one is the Conga solution. The second one is the Conga queries. And then third one is called Conga templates. And fourth one is a Conga email templates. Let's see one by one. So first, we're going to see Conga solution. So go to the Conga Composer app. Here you'll be showing the Conga solution as a tab. So with this solution tab, we can create the Conga solution record. So this solution records acts like a button URL while generating the document, and you can also place this button in your desired object, either it may be it in a standard or either it may be in custom. Whatever it may be, you can place it there and you can generate your document. So I'm going to show how to generate this document. Go to the new button. Here you will be showing this two option. There is Conga solution name. You can give your solution name here and you can choose your standard object or the custom object. After that, you can click the button called create record. So I have already created one solution, two solution record, that is generate account and composer account brief. So I'm going to show how it will be. So I'm going for the generate account button. Here you will be showing the it's a page called it's a Congo solution record. Here you can add your depot data and you can add your queries data, and also you can add your templates, and you can add your Congo email template, and also you can customize the parameters. So if you want to generate the document with your desire and customized way, you can using this customize with parameters, we can generate it. And then you'll be having this access template builder, which is nothing but you can test this Conga solution with this template access template builder. You can add your account record or whatever it may be. You can add it here by passing your ID here, and you can add it here, and then you can test with this one option called launch composer. By using this launch composer, you can test your Conga solution. So this is all around the Conga solution. And here, after creation of your Conga solution, here you'll be having the create button. You can, if you once create this click this create button, means your Conga solution will be created in your account object. If before it was in a create button, now I have created, so it is updated into update button. So for every changes, you have to give this update button, then only your current changes will be occurred and you can generate your document. So this is all about Conga solution. Next, we are going to see the Conga queries. So Conga queries also, it's also called as a circle query statement, which is used to merge the Salesforce data into your documents. This Conga queries are used in any time if you are needed to access the child object, or you need to access the data that is not in your master object. So for this purpose only, we are going for the Conga queries. So Conga queries also we can generate in the two ways. So first way is we are going to click the new button. Here you can type your Conga query name like a test, and you can provide your circle statement here and save it. So this is way one of the way we can create the Conga queries. And the second way is go to the Conga solution record and go to your button. Here you can click the add query data. So click that. So here you will be showing the create new Conga query record button. So click this button. From here also you can create. So by the two way we can create the Conga queries. So here also you can give a name and make a circle statement and save it for. Now after this save, you if your refresh means your test created Conga query record will be appeared here, so that you can add this Conga query to your solution record. So here you have to give the main thing is you have to give the alias name. If you won't give the alias name is nothing but like a data set name. So anywhere in your table you are going to use this alias name only to generate the document. So for if you don't give this alias name, means you won't generate this document. So after this giving this alias name, add it to your Conga query solution and update the button. So this is what the Conga queries will be works. And it is also this Conga queries also uh, we have some limitations, which is nothing but we can add, it holds up to 25,000 rows and 10 MB of data. More than that, we can't use this Conga queries in the Conga query tabs. So this is what is about the Conga queries. And formula fields also not supported from the sales in the Conga queries. So up to this, any doubts? Team? Yeah. So I'll take this no. So next we are going to see the Conga templates. So for this, Conga template plays a vital role in this document generation. So this Conga template can be created in our require as our requirement by using the Conga template builder. This Conga template also can be created in two ways. First way is going to be by clicking the new, go to the Conga template tab and click new button. So here you can give your Conga template name and save it. So here you will be showing this a related tab. In this related tab, you can upload your Word document. So which document you are going to, we want to generate means that document can be uploaded here. And then here we can add this Conga templates to the solution record. So this is one of the way we are going to add this Conga template to a solution record. Next way is go to the solution record and click the your button and go to the add template and click so after refreshing, your template will be available here, so that you can add this template to your Conga solution. So here you will be having the create new Conga template record. So also by clicking this, you can generate your Conga template. After adding this Conga template, and you can upload your document and you can generate it. So for sample, I have created one document. I mean, it's a Word document. So I have uploaded already this document to my Conga template. So this is the one of the way we are going to add the Conga template. As I said before that Conga template can be built by the Conga template builder. So I'm going to show now how we can click this template. So go to the Conga solution. Here you'll be having this launch composer. Click this launch composer. You'll be having the template builder at the right corner in the tools and settings section. So go to the template builder. So here you will be showing all the master object and the child objects data sets here. This we can say this merge fields. So by using this merge fields only, we are going to create the template. So likewise only, I have created all this merge fields, and you can download means it will be showing all your data regarding the master object and child object, and all our data will be loaded here and we can generate it. So in this way, we can access the merge fields and we can generate the document. So this is all about the Conga template. And the last one is we are going to see the Conga email template. So this Conga email template is nothing but it's a they used to merge the Salesforce data into an HTML email document. And this Conga email template cannot be sent. We can't send the email, but instead of that, while receiving the email, we can receive the document like a template. So this also can be create added in your Conga solution. So go to this add Conga email template, and I have created already CET name. This is a Conga email template. So for one button, we can create the only one Conga email template. So we can't add another more. So because it going to send the email, and in that email only we are going to receive our Conga templates. So for this purpose only Conga email templates are used. So I'm going to show how to create this Conga email template. So go to this point, click create new button, and you can give your Conga email template name here, and he can configure all your merge fields and all your email stuffs, and you can give the save for now. So after this, while the users receives the email only, we can get this Conga email template as a output document. So this is all about the Conga Composer's objects. So I'm going to give this handle over to Selekya. Thank you, team. Any doubts still until? Yeah.
Can we call these template from any external web services?
Uh, Sorry.
Can we call this template from any external web services? I mean, can this template be called from an external services and display that too in some other org?
No, we can't.
We can't.
Yeah, using Conga templates record only, we can pass this template. So we can't use this using externals.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So yeah, I hope you understand the previous slide about this Conga Composer and the details of Conga objects and features is shared by Ramya. So, and followed by we will see the flow model of Conga Composer, and also we'll have some demo with this Conga features. So, first thing is a Conga solution, as Ramya said, is a one-stop solution. So, here we have to create a Conga query and a template and a email template and add a parameters. So in Conga query, it's nothing but is a like a socket query. So we just get the data value from the Salesforce to output generated document. So we can show this value from Salesforce to that desired format documents, which is PPT, Word, PDF, and Excel formats. And then that create a Conga template. This Conga template is nothing but is a Word template. So what are the fields? But as a merge fields, we want to add based on this business requirement. We can add it in that Word document and upload it in this Conga template record and add it in the Conga solution, and we can get this required value to this output document. The same as a Conga email template. So we can get this rich texted format with this for in this email template records. And we have a last option as add a parameter. So we have customizing parameter. So for example, in the Conga Composer, while clicking this button in this object, so it will act as a URL, whole URL. So we can pass this parameter in the URL. For example, if we want to download the document as a PDF, means we can pass with a predefined parameter, which is OFN. So OFN equal to we have some values. If PDF means we have some value. If we want to PPT means if we have a value. So we can pass this using this add parameter function. Once we did all these requirement steps in this Conga solution, we can click the create button. So once we click the create button, so the which object we can choose while creating this Conga solution record, the button will be created on this specific object. So what are the page layouts we want to place that button? So we can add it in the page layout. So once we click this Conga button in the page layout, means we can generate the document in what are the fields we have. Also, what are the content we have in this document. We can get this desired format with this uh, specified content. So in this flow model, yes, have any questions here? Yeah, then I will move this next slide. So in this slide, we have going to see this some of the features predefined features available in this Conga Composer. So I have some use cases on that with that predefined attributes. So the first thing is how to show and hide the data table in the Microsoft Word template. So in this slide, I have one screenshot here. So this is how the table will be shown our output document in this Word template. So that we have mentioned this attribute like the table height within curly brace and active contact list. That active contact list is nothing but this is Conga queries alias name which you have added in this Conga solution record. So here I have added two fields from this Socket query. So based on our requirement, we have added what are the fields we want to add. We can add this in Word template using this template builder which you have Ramya showed, right? So this is how this table will be shown on this Word template record. So the first attribute I'm going to say about the table height, the data set name. The data set name is nothing but that Kanga queries alias name. If we add this table height, that uh, data set name means, so if we return the value from Salesforce N2 document, so then only the table will be shown. So for example, in here I have added that active contract list. So if we have a contract with active status, only the table will be shown. So if we don't have any active contracts in this in our org, so the table will be hidden. That document in this place will be shown empty. And we'll see detail in our demo. And then second attribute is the table set the table height data set field name value. So we can dynamically display the value based on the specified field value. For example, so if we have a state, if you have a users from our different states, so if you have to show only the state users from Arizona only, means we can pass this value in this template, the table height, the data set name, that state equal to state colon Arizona. So that time, if you have a users from Arizona, means then only the table will be shown. Otherwise, the table will be empty. Um, Yeah, and also I have another one use case using this dynamically display the value using that if condition. So I will show how to create a if condition in the Word template in detail in our demo. I just explain what are the syntax under that explanation here in this presentation. So this is a syntax we are using in this Word template. So that if expression one, that expression one is nothing but this. We can use the Salesforce field, then we can compare the value. So in this Ganga Composer supported four operators that equal to, not equal to, less than, and greater than. The fourth operator only that supported we can use only in this if condition in this Word template itself. So we can compare the value. Let us assume, for example, if that opportunity stage name is close one, that time only that opportunity table complete table will be shown. Otherwise, we just show this error message like that. Sorry, your table is not shown like this. Uh, Team Sofa, if you have any questions, please.
Like
Uh,
just one question, yeah, I
yeah,
have. So I just wanted to know, does these object level securities are also applied in this while generating the templates
yeah,
of
yes, yes. If we have access only, we can show this value for this table. So if we don't have access, we couldn't able to
or
show this
let's
in
say
the
like
top.
let's say in a field I have actually incorporate some validation rule or maybe something. I mean any yeah, some validation rules. So those things also will be considered while generating the template or something like that.
Yes, yes.
So okay, okay. And another question is that, like you say, you explained that for a PDF we have OFN, right? For PPT we have another
Yes.
code.
Yeah, yeah.
So So those things, I mean,
No,
anywhere
that
it is.
OFN, yeah, sorry, that OFN is refers as file name. So if we want to download the file name, whichever desired format based on business requirement. For example, if you have some field hold some field name available in that our object, so if we want to add that fields value in this out as a file name on the generated document, means we can pass this OFN equal to that field name using merge field.
Okay, so no, yeah, that is where my question is. So are those like predefined values, or like we can like user defined values as well? I mean, we can
Yeah,
set
that's a
those
pre.
values based.
Yeah, yeah. We
Okay,
have some predefined parameters available in our Conga Composer guide. Something.
okay. Yeah, that is what my question. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Then shall we move for the demo? Yeah. This is our Conga. So we can access our Conga Composer using this app page. Yeah.
One last question also, Alakya. So
Yeah.
you said like what PDF, Excel sheet, these things are can be like generated, right? So
Yeah.
some Word document does also have some images like different formats are embedded, right? Those things can also be done in these documents. Let's
No,
say my Word
in
document.
the email template, yeah, in the email template alone, we can use this rich image files. In the Conga templates, we couldn't use this rich text format file.
Okay, or let's say any chart, let's say by bar chart or pie chart,
No,
then
we
those
couldn't
things also.
use. No.
Oh, okay. Okay, then yeah, that's thank you.
Yeah, I hope already Ramya gone through this Conga about this Conga solution. So I just go to that account record, which you have placed that button. Yeah. So in this account page layout, we have um, added that button which in this Conga solution, which is generate account. So once we click this button, so it will redirect to that Conga Composer page. Yeah. So here we have a three option to use this Conga templates and Conga email templates. And also while we configuring this Conga Composer app, we have checked this legacy information as a local template only that this option will be shown. Otherwise, this option will not shown. So because some of the users they have the word template in our local, not uploaded in our Salesforce end, so that time they have used this option. So if we have a document in our local, means we can upload it and test using that option. For example, if I have a Word template in my local, so I can upload it here. And if we click the preview, so here we have a two option. One is a preview, and another one is a merge and download. If we click a preview button, so only we can download that output document in our local only. So it's not created on Salesforce end. But if you click a merge and download button, that file will be downloaded in local, and that output document record will be uploaded that specified records notes and as a notes and attachments records. So if you click a preview, means that file will be downloaded as local. Yeah. Here I have some added some tables over here, so it will show this records. And we have another option like template list. So if I added this templates in this Conga solution record, so the template will be shown here. This is Conga email. So if I have added any Conga email templates, the Ramya added, right, the test st. So the email template, Conga email templates available here. So using this, we can generate this document. And we have another one. Other options are so we can add a related contact. So for example, I have created a button in account. So if I choose this contact, means this Kanga query get the values if I have any related records. So the based on this, the record will be get based on this contact. So if I choose this record, that record will be based get based on this record. And that output option is we have a two types. One is PDF file, and another one is same as template. So as I mentioned earlier, right, we have an option like add a parameter in Conga solution record. So while we creating a Conga solution record, that PDF equal to 1, we can pass as a pass as a parameter, then it will be defaultly checked. Otherwise, we want to check whenever we click this button bias manually. By same as template means this output document as downloaded as a Word format. Which format document we have uploaded here, that same as template will be downloaded. If PDF means the document will be PDF format. And we also in action we have two options, that download and email. We can send an email means we can choose this option, and send a specified context. We can send an email based on our org limitations. And in the save a copy options, so here we have a option like notes and attachments. So if we select that notes and attachments file, the record will be created as a for example, if it added a button on account object, if we choose this notes and attachments, the record will be created as notes and attachment record under that account. If want to content means we can create a content documents also. So if you want to, if you don't want to add any notes and attachments, means we can just check this documents. So if you want to add the Salesforce file, means we can choose that. Also, we while we generating this document, we can send a task, or we send a reminder, means we can choose this activity log enable, and we added some customized subject text and follow. Also, while we can option like that update fields. So while we generating document using this Conga Composer button, we when we select this update field option, we can after this operation we can update our specific fields on this record. So these are the options available in this Conga Composer page. So let me show that how to add how to create a Conga template and upload it in. Yeah. So these are this nothing but so which object we can choose while creating this Conga solution record. This that object will be a master. So that record will be shown all these fields here. So if we want to add any of the fields from this Conga query to Word document, we can add it here using this, like that. If you want to add these or the fields, we can add it. So it will automatically downloaded as a table format. Also we can add a report here. So in this solution record, we can have an option like add report data. So if you have any report by business users, they so we can add it in this Conga solution with alias name. That report also shown here. So we can also get the data from reported. So once we added our required fields in this selected tab, so we can click this option to download the template. So this is the sample template which I have added these three fields. So Yeah, so here we have upload a template to we have a two options like in the template record we in the notes and attachments we can upload it is the one way, and another way we can test it our local using this option. Just I have uploaded this recent template and click the preview button. Yeah, so this is how it will work. So in this, I have case studies with a word template which I have shown in this presentation. So here I have a activities query with the specified account. So I just check this table hide as activities. So in this query, it will return if account have any activities, that time only the table will be shown. If I have no activities in the account means the table will not be shown, it will be hidden. And then the second attribute is table show. If I use this table show, the AI activities is nothing but the Conga queries alias name, which I have added in this solution record. Mm, so that in this case, when we use this table show attribute, so whenever this value is not returned from Salesforce, for example, in this case, this activities is not returned with the specified account, the table will not be hidden. The table only will show without values. And then second attribute is the table height dataset field name value. So we can show the value and table based on specific field name. So in this case, I have used this case object. So whenever this case status is closed, so if you have any the empty table is only shown, the table has status is closed. So so what are the value we can use from the Salesforce standard or custom object? We can use this here using this attribute. We can show and hide the table, and the table show the same thing which I have mentioned here. The table only shows without a value based on the specified field value which you have passed in this table. And then third attribute is data set field name that operator. So already I said, right, the Conga Composer can collect the information from sales Conga query to the Conga Composer. So these are this supported format we can use this in this attribute, which is equal and not equal to and greater than and less than. So here I have one use case. In that account object, we have a status and type field. So whenever this account status not equal to account type, that time only that table will be hide. Also, we have another option based on the field's dataset name, the table group. For example, if the users have multiple countries, so we can group up the users based on countries. Yeah, we can use this table group, that dataset name and the field name value. So like that, we can uh, group up the values based on our countries. And then the final if condition is, so we can use this if condition in this word template. So here we have an option in the word template using that insert and click here. We have a field option over there. So when we click that, we have some of the categories available predefined in Word. So we can using this merge field from Salesforce in the Word template, we can using this merge field and pass this API name for that field if we linked Salesforce to Word document. So if I use here, I have using this if. So if I click that if option, yeah. So in this template, I have using this if condition. So the example is when opportunity stage name is close one, that time we show this opportunity table. Otherwise, we show some error in the false part. Sorry, your table won't show like this. So while we place this if condition, we need to right click this option. We have option like toggle field codes. So in the toggle field codes, we just added this if condition. If opportunity stage name equal to close one, that time that if true part, we had just added this table. In the false part, I just show this error message. uh, so far, any questions?
Actually, any size limit for this output template finally, because I mean, when we are generating some price book entries, or maybe like when we are
Yeah,
like adding
yeah.
quote entries.
In the specific table, we couldn't show more than 25,000 records.
Mhm. Okay, because price book entries are quite a large size of price, right? So in a large scale project. So
Yeah, it's so only we use this uh, in the Socket query by using it's a best practice for the performance level. Also, we could use this uh, by more filters for this using query.
mhm.
But we have a size. Yeah, I will check and let you know for this size.
Okay, okay. But all those queries and all those template can only be actually driven through these Word documents, right? And that should be
Yeah.
actually okay, okay.
Yeah, let me upload this template to show the output to you. Yeah. So as that activity table value is not available in Salesforce, so it shows an empty table. Also, we have a case status is closed. So the table will be shown with this case status. Also, in this scenario, in this account status is not equal to account type, so the table will not shown. And the fourth condition is that opportunity stage name is not a closed one, so it shows an error message. Team, if any questions there?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, yeah, that's it for the demo part.